Harold Peabody and the Magic Glasses. Harold dreams of being a hero like his father, a Navy SEAL, but he is what you might call an easy target. He's short, he's almost legally blind, and he's the new kid in town. When the biggest bully in school smashes Harold's glasses and he has to get a new pair, something amazing happens. Suddenly, Harold can see anyone's greatest fear. Do you know what this means? Revenge. And it has never tasted so sweet. But in the end, what if Harold becomes the villain in the story instead of the hero? Get this wonderful book, Harold Peabody and the Magic Glasses, written by Don Kopman-Whidden and O.M. Fay, illustrated by O.M. Fay. Available from Amazon and other fine online booksellers. And visit online